Hello everyone. Welcome to Beauty Attraction. Today I am going to tell you how to make green tea scrub for radiant skin. Let's get started. Garner all the benefits of organic ingredients in this refreshing and nourishing green tea scrub. Perfect for summers. Ingredients: 1 green tea bag, 1 brewed green tea, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Start by brewing a tea bag in half a cup of water and leave it to cool. While the tea is cooling down, pour the sugar into a bowl and mix in roughly 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once combined, add in the contents of the unbrewed green tea bag and mix together. Once your brewed tea has cooled down, add its contents to the loose tea, sugar, and olive oil mixture. You can pour this scrub into a pot or a jar of your choice. It will stay good for a week or 2. Thank you for watching Beauty Attraction. Do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.